Hello, and today we're going to have a look at a scientific calculator. This time we're looking at the Casio FX83 GTX. The FX83 and the FX85 are the same models, only the 85s have a solar panel. But notice this is a GTX, not the GT Plus. Okay, so we're going to have a go at using the statistics mode on this scientific calculator. But first we've got to enter statistics mode, and then we've got to put some data into the calculator. Then we're going to calculate these series of statistics: the sum of x squared, n equals, as in the number in the sample, the arithmetic mean, and the standard deviation. I'm going to start with putting it into statistics mode. On the FX83 GTX, we have this menu button up here, so we're going to click on the menu button, and it gives us a range of options. Now, the one I want is number 2. I can see that if I press the arrow, go there. I don't have to do that. I could press 2 directly, but this is the statistics mode. You see the little graph? So I'm going to press 2 on the calculator to select that one. So let's press 2. And I have a whole series of different options. I only want option number 1. I'm only working with one column of data, one variable. So I'm going to press number 1 for the one variable option, and this gives me this table to put my numbers in. Okay, so I've got these 5 data here. I'm going to type them in one at a time. So I put in 2.1, and then I'm going to press equals, adds it to the table, moves it onto the next line. I put 2.9 equals, I'm going to put in 3.6 equals, 3.9 equals, and 4.8 equals. Okay. Now this is a new generation of calculator, and it makes this so much easier because it gives all your statistics at the same time. To get the statistics, I simply press Option, and here I have a very series of options. Number 2, I could edit the data, or I could delete the data and start again. But number 3, the one variable calculations, gives us all the statistics I'm looking for. So if I choose number 3 for that option, I get all my statistics. Now it's a little small on the screen here, but let me take you through them. The top one is X with a bar across it. So X bar is the symbol for the mean. So the first value, 3.46, is the mean. Then we have sum of X is the next one, and that is all of these 5 numbers added together. So the sum of X is 17.3. Now if I was to square each of these numbers in turn, so 2.1 squared, 2.9 squared, 3.6 squared, etc., etc., and I added up all those squared values, that would give us the sum of x squared. And that's our third number on the value here, so 64.03 is all of those squares added up. Now we get into a bit of a complex mode. So here, the next 2 statistics are relating to population variables that we're not looking at on this course. So we're going to move down the list here. The S squared X is the variance, which you might use one day, but not on the professional skills course. But if we press down, we get onto the next screen. And here we find SX, which is our standard deviation. N equals 5, look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values there. And we also have our minimum and quartiles given to us there as well. So the GTX is making life a lot easier for us by giving all our statistics in one easy go. If we needed to clear the memory to put some more statistics in, we press Option, and we press Editor, and we've got an opportunity to delete all. So we'll delete all, and we're back with a clean table, ready to start again. Thank you for watching.